Hey guys, and welcome back to this week's video. And in this week's video, we are going to be testing some store-bought putty and slime. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so we have this one. I don't know. It came with a dinosaur in it, but I took it out because it wasn't really slime with the dinosaur in it. So, this is it. And yeah, let's just open it up. It feels very rubbery. It's not stretchy at all. But when you poke it, like, it breaks. So like, I'm not saying it's bad. I consider it kind of putty because I don't really enjoy this putty slime. So like, I'm not saying it's bad slime. So this was a fail. This one, yeah. And yeah, let's get to the next putty or slime. And we have this one. I got this one from the mall. At this toy shop. I forgot what it's called. But it is called but it's actually a very good slime. I'm just gonna take it out. Like when I got it, the top was foam and then the bottom was like clear slime. But I mixed it together and it's so good. I'm definitely keeping this one. This one's not a fail at all. It's such a good slime. And they also have different colors because as you can see, there's the pink and there's blue. I chose the white. I like the white. It reminds me of like vanilla ice cream or something like that. And yeah, let's get on to the next Slimer putty. Guys, so this one has a story. This one's really bad. What I said, I actually kind of like it. Actually, like, it's stuck all over, but it's a really jiggly sponge, so let's just try to get it out. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. And let's get this out. Plop it in there. It's actually not that sticky. It kind of melted. It wasn't that jiggly before, but it melted. Go buy it at Target. Only $1. Get off my fingers. It's really floppy. Very floppy and jiggly. And pop that in there. We're almost done with this bag. I got there. Okay, now the hard part is getting it out of this container thing. I don't know why they put it in like this little lab thing, like it's dangerous or something. Oh, it melted. It melted. Oh my gosh, it melted. Guys, it seriously melted. Like, melted. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Look, all the melty stuff is in here. Let's just try to combine it. Oh no, it's so gooey. Okay, maybe you shouldn't buy this. If you buy it, please don't leave it in the sun. I left it in the sun. Oh, it's so stretchy now. Okay. I'll see you guys in one moment. Technical difficulties. Okay, guys, so I actually kind of fixed it. I don't know how. It's actually pretty good, but we're just trying to get this all goop out of this because it melted. Like, I don't know how it melted. It literally melted. Like, it's this. Like, it's goopy. face is so much more jiggly now. It's really good. Take back what I said. I actually kind of like it. It's not really that sticky. It just feels weird. Okay, so that was a fail at the beginning, but we managed. Yeah, let's get out of the next Slimer putty. So guys, we actually have our putty right now. Oh my gosh. Oh!
It has a really pretty color. It's really shiny. It is not sketchy apparently.
Not pokey. But it is really pretty. I like when you do swirls with putty and then press it down, so. Or you can't just swirls with putty, never mind. Okay, so this was our putty. And yeah, let's get on to the next putty, which is actually our last one. Surprise. So this is actually my favorite putty. It is Minnie's Aaron's Thinking Putty, and it's scented, and it smells so good. And it's really good stretch. Like, it's like slime. Like it actually pokes. So go buy this. I got it at the same place as I did for. And yeah, I love Aaron's putty because some Aaron's putty, like the mini Aaron's putty, is actually kind of better than the big Aaron's putty. Because I have the big Aaron's putty. It's that green one. Go watch it. My video, the putty compared to slime. I already opened it. And yeah, and you'll see that one, and that one's actually pretty hard, but this one's really soft. And if you guys have heard of Silly Putty, it feels like Silly Putty. And it's also very pretty. Yeah, so go buy this one. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and request, and yeah, give this video a big thumbs up because it was really fun to do. And go buy all these slimes. Well, the ones I say that are good. Definitely go buy this slime. This slime is the best slime. I named this one Cloud. And this slime is actually pretty good too. So go buy those. And yeah. Bye!